How to turn off autocorrect on WhatsApp. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off autocorrect on your WhatsApp. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your phone settings and then here in settings search for keyboard. Then here go to keyboard settings. Then here scroll down and open your keyboard. So my keyboard is Gboard, so I'm gonna open Gboard. And then here you might see this or text correction or auto correction option. Open it and then here you will see an option like this, auto correction. Tap here to turn it off and the auto correction is turned off, and it will be also turned off on your WhatsApp. So this is how you can turn off auto correction on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.